I'm changing the title right now. Be crazy to not have my hair out for this title. We do it like this for now. Hold on. There's this. Yeah. All right. So day one, the takeover was yesterday. It was cool. I think we streamed like 7 or 8 hours, which is a lot. I was really tired, but I had to stay committed to it, of course. Well, we gotta drop the Jones Road Beauty video here soon. About like 6:30. We're gonna drop the Jones Road Beauty video onto YouTube. Let me go to my Instagram real quick. CD. I need to set up the shortcut keys. So yesterday we were supposed to have the Real Up with Strickland Bros. They were out of office, so we weren't able to get the collaborative acceptance. So I archived it or put it to the drafts, brought it back today. They hit me back up. Boom, we got that settled. We got that wrapped up. So we got the Strickland Brothers video right here. We should go check this out. It's the ad we just did, a collaboration.
Sometimes on the road, stopping by Strickland Brothers to see if the 10-minute oil change lives up to the hype. Sometimes we don't have time to do it. Sometimes we're on the road, sometimes we're on the go. And, we have to do things as we go.
Some info on this page for me in just a moment.
All right. I pulled in, they handed me a tablet. I had to fill out one page. It was quick and easy. And the guys are really cool.
Appreciate it.
And in the meantime, we got to get into my skincare routine.
So first I wash my hands, and we're going to start with some beard balm. And then we're going to put some beard oil on it. Got to get the beard
Dropping
right
this new
first
Timberland
before
pick at
anything.
4:30.
We got a few minutes, so we should be good. Now I'll hit it with the moisturizer. Got to get the moisturizer in first. And then, actually, it looks like they're done already.
So you're all good.
That was it? It's done? Oh, damn, that is fast. All right. They told me it should be 10 minutes. Thank you. Damn, they didn't get to finish. Thank you. That was insanely fast. They say Strickland Brothers only takes 10 minutes to do your oil change. I didn't even have time to finish my skincare routine. I didn't even have 10 minutes to put everything on my face.
Look, if you need a quick oil change in 10 minutes, definitely check out Strickland Brothers.
Definitely check
Let's
out
talk about
Strickland Brothers. Definitely check out Strickland Brothers. So we were supposed to do that yesterday, but some stuff came up, but we got it up today. So that's up. I'll put that up on YouTube later this week. And then also, there's a couple other videos tied to it. I did like
a BTS stream kind of like through the day, and then I also found this Leaf Calf. It's a coffee shop. They do very special things. I think a couple people saw it. But they also have like a smoke shop in the back. So it's a coffee shop and a smoke shop basically at the same time. So they call it like the Leaf Shop or some shit like that. Let me put a hold on, let me put this advisor on because I'm about to start hitting this party. Give me a sec. Uh we gotta always, last night I didn't do it, I'll be honest. I didn't do it last night. I didn't put it on. Where is it? Oh. But I'm gonna do it today. So if I get banned, that's why, but I don't care. I don't care. Not at all. But yeah, that's that. And then of course, man, go to YouTube. We got this going on YouTube. We dropped this yesterday. I'm supposed to drop another one today. Right? I don't even know my own schedule. Oh, I'm tripping. Let me get the shot ready. About to post it, watch. About to post this first shot with Timberland right now. And my stories are about to expire too in like an hour or two. Yes, sir. I think 6, and I can put it up. I gotta let my links expire. Look, look, look. I'm gonna give you a first look. Whoever's in here. I don't know how well that looks, but you're gonna see here in a second. Yes, Sirski. Should be good to go. Yup. Put it on Facebook and on Threads. I got a countdown. How long we got? Let me see. 5 seconds? 5:30. Posting it right now. Posting it right now. I'm share it on all my stuff too. It's taking a little minute, it's gotta soak it in. Chat. 501. Chat. What's this? What is that? On the left right there. What is that to the left right there? Fall season, man. Look at how my shit's coming together, man. We're starting to take over fall early this year. Play my song on the radio. Yeesh. Somebody said, look, somebody on threads going off. Somebody on threads going off. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me see if I can send it to. Fuck. I don't even think I can show you. This top one. She said, question for influencers slash content creators. Why is it when you get a PR package from Fenty or Skims, you don't have a problem posting it? Or when you buy a product with your money, you don't have a problem posting it with no incentive, like Chanel or LV. But when a smaller brand contacts you, the question that is asked is, what's the budget? I'm genuinely curious. That's crazy. Let me see. Let me see what they said. Oh, yeah. They kind of, I mean, you gotta expect people to get onto you. There's more comments than anything. And there's plenty of people that even have more likes in their comments than what she said. And I'm not saying that in an unpopular commented way, but I mean, this person did make a good point as well. She said, as a business owner, you know what ROI is, right? Return on investment. For those that don't know what that is, which is very important in this. She said, if I post a Fenty item that I genuinely love and Fenty sees it, that's a potential 5-figure deal. Smaller brands don't pay at all, or they'll pay like $500. I'm taking a risk posting either video. Also, do y'all know that content creators are small business owners too? We are providing you a service, multiple services, in fact, marketing, video and editing, reviewing, which is also a good point. But I mean, that's not even why I got on threads. Every time I get on here, people are like going at each other's throat. Gear up. Gear up, bro. This shit is so fucking cool to see. I'm just trying to swim in something. I can't even play the music on here. Look at that, man. What a cover. Built for the journey. Timberland, baby. Shout out to a photographer. I'm gonna say Toya. Toya is the photographer. I almost said Toya and the photographer in the same line. Shout out to Toya, the photographer, my photographer. I take most of my shots. If I work with anyone else, it's her. So that says something. For me to be somebody who lately has only been taking shots by myself means a lot. To have been able to reach out to her and to get her onto this as well. You know, I hit her up. she's been good. She's been loyal. So I consider all those things and I appreciate all those things. So I could have shot these myself, but I wanted to get her in on this opportunity that I shared with her. And I'm thankful that I've seen a lot of these guys, you know, that I've fallen out with. I'm really grateful to have seen this happen in real time because a lot of these guys, you know, I could have given this to, there's no one in particular I'm thinking of because there's a lot of guys that I've fallen out with in this. And I lost count of the photographers that I don't associate with anymore. But I'm glad that I saw those things play out in real time because if I didn't, I probably would have, you know, asked the wrong person maybe. And maybe not. Maybe not, right? But the thing is, I'm very selective. So honestly, I might have not even, you know, asked anybody else just because of the rapport that I've built up with, you know, Toya. She's always, you know, she's always down to do it. She's always ready to go. And for dealing with, you know, like my crazy and spontaneous schedule, I really appreciate that too. So it means a lot. And I'm grateful that, you know, if she didn't want to do it, that's fine. But I'm like, you know, I have this opportunity with Timberland. If you want to help, you know, this can be an opportunity for you to also put this on your credits. And we can take some too. You know, you can use them, you can post them yourself too. And we're tapped in. She was for it, you know. So I really appreciate her. And I'm sure, you know, she shot some stuff that, you know, I wouldn't have thought of if I was behind the camera. So it means a lot. Take over, baby. Refresh it, get, you know, a little fresh going. It's crazy because I have 5 accounts on Instagram. Why does dude follow all 4 of them except this one? It's Kenzo, man. Got the Kenzo on the background. Let me play. Let me turn the audio down. I didn't want to see what he was doing. Shit is unbelievable. So they're calmed up. Let me add this as a shot OBS real quick. He said they're the worst teammates ever. I should add a little bit to this. Let me see what you can see. Just the pick, right? Yeah, it is. Okay. Shit. Oil didn't even blend in my face today. Like it was supposed to. It. Yeah, let me add a couple more things to this. I don't know what it's gonna show. Hopefully it doesn't. What is it gonna show? I'm not trying to have it all in my stuff. I guess we'll see how it looks. Let me see. I don't think it's gonna show anything. So oh shit. That is not what the fuck? This is okay. What the fuck, bro? Be for real. Why is it so big? Oh, Diddy. How does this look? Ooh, that looks good. Let me add some words. Yeah, this looks live. I might have to stack this one up. Yeah, this looks better. I don't want it to be too big. Now, where do I put? I gotta. I have to get. I need to put my socials back right here. Man, look, life could be so simple, man. Good brand collabs, good business, good coffee, and good gas. It could be that easy. It could be that easy. Like, that's the goal. That's the goal. That's the goal. We're close. Not 100%, but we're so close. I can't wait. I need to get some of these clips up from yesterday. I got some clips up. I saved some clips. I didn't post any of them yet. But it's such a mood. Reaction from Facebook. Who's seen it? Shit, it's been 20 minutes and it's already got say what's up. It's been 20 minutes. We already got we're basically getting like one to two views every minute. Man, I want to put this music back on, bro, but this copyright stuff, they had a couple of my videos fucked up on YouTube. Make sure y'all tune into the YouTube, man. I've been dropping some stuff. I'm trying to post on YouTube every day. Every day this month. 30 days. I got so much stuff coming. But what was it? 2 weeks ago we got this up. We got our work featured on the website. Did the unboxing, announce it right here with the Timberland stuff, some BTS right here. A little short we got 473 days of not brushing my hair. Little thing right here. I got some more stuff we're gonna post with the lock stuff probably today. Little takeover. And then this is the BTS, the set one. We got a few sets. I can put music on, but if I'm saying something important, then it wouldn't be smart. I'm gonna probably put some on like when I'm just chilling, just fucking around, but I got some stuff copyrighted on YouTube, hella. And then on Twitch, the VODs won't even, they automatically save. My setting got fucked up because my OBS reset, but there's a VOD. The VODs, it doesn't let you keep the audio. It'll take all the audio out wherever the music is. It's crazy. So we got the Jones Road one we're gonna drop today. I'm not even signed in this one, so I can't even show a little sneak peek. But we got the Jones Road coming today. That's what we put on Instagram yesterday. We got set one right here. Why am I getting a spam call? And I see they're leaving a voicemail, so I'm trying to see what it is. They're talking about it's Comcast Infinity, and there's a 50% off discount this month. I don't even have that. I don't even have that. It's dark in here. Shit's tripping. But I'm working on some hair edits right now. for hair peef. Doing it on my phone. And then I gotta edit something for this beard, not beard, grill brush. Like a $70 grill brush. Pretty crazy. Look, I work with all types of brands. This is a barbecue aid, BBQ aid, bristle free brush and scraper. It's legit too. I got some BTS yesterday. As seen on GMNA. As seen on GMNA. I'm tripping. Good Morning America. They got Good Morning America on here, Forbes, Business Insider, trusted by top brands. I need to finish making my website and put that on there. Like something like that, trusted by top brands. They didn't have like big hitters at the top. Theirs is kind of slow. Moving kind of slow. But it's moving nonetheless. No. Why'd I think it was showing? Why'd I think I had my screen share on? My bad. I gotta get better at this shit. I need a mod. I thought I had this video playing the whole time. Mike's a little hot. My bad, chat. I gotta have some background on for you. They say you look good, baby. Yes, sir. My stuff's finna expire, bro. I gotta save these logos real quick for these new highlights. Damn, this shit.
Oh no, stand there is fine. Yeah, I'm not even there yet. I'm taking photos down here.
5:26 to 5:30. Oh, 30 minutes. I thought it was gonna be like 6. That's even better. Even better.
Oh yeah. It's been making my life easy. So now I'm doing like just from your arm down, and I'll let you know when I get to your face. towards you. Now look out there with one time. Look at these. I like them. Or can you see? Or is it dark? I'm gonna get close up on the
Spreading like wildfire. Get out of here, bot. Vigilant syllable. Get out of here, bro. You're a bot.
So that's detail shots. Any other you want in this position? You
No, I like the full scale one and the Neo ones.
you like the full wide?
Yeah, I like the overall look, not really like focusing on me because
Okay, yeah. So let me
just the
get
style.
yeah, let me get one of the shirt, but not really like zoomed in on the shirt. So just yeah.
Shout out to Toya.
It's small.
Big photographer right here.
It doesn't look bad in the photo. It doesn't look bad at all. But you can relax with it, like you can put it up right there, and then sit up straight forward.
Same angle.
Yeah, same angle, right there. And you can place it up exactly. So it's not your face is not gonna be in this one.
Okay. You still getting it?
Yeah. Okay, cool. You can fix some stuff if you want to.
It's good.
Okay. So what else do you wanna, let me check leave some standard, just to like place down so we can focus on oh, while we doing this chair, let's do the one where she was facing this way and she's sitting in the chair.
With the legs up?
Yeah. You wanna just use the boots along for this one?
Yeah. We'll just have to take.
Or you can turn the other way, whichever one. So yeah, I think your butt will have to be on the edge.
Further?
Yeah, like that, so you can lean all the way back.
She didn't want to talk.
Yeah, she had one on top of the other. Yeah, like that.
I know it's not gonna be comfortable, but if
Yeah, as long as you want. Yeah. That's fine. Nice. Hold that. Nice. Hold that. Yeah, right there. Yeah, I like to close it. Let's do some things. Carry on. You can do this half body. You want? Okay. You can do some of you can take the boot off and just have them on your shoulder. I think that's a prior shot. Can you see this? And then I actually like this one too. But you would probably have to be in a lower chair like that one. Okay, yeah. Okay. It is 3:06. And you said you have me back at 3?
Yep. I don't know what YouTube did. I don't know what YouTube did right there. I left a comment yesterday on this. I don't know what the fuck YouTube did yesterday. I don't know what they did to the audio. I went in to have the, I guess the audio I used is copyrighted. I thought it wasn't copyrighted. Apparently it was. I went in and I tried to I basically had YouTube move the audio and then like replace it with some other shit. But on the video it has both of them playing at the same time. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what YouTube's doing, honestly. But let me see. What are we supposed to cover today? At 6, we're dropping a new Jones Road video. I gotta post some sort of vlog video. What did I say I was gonna do? I was gonna shoot a new one on stream. And I don't know about that. Man, fuck it. I'll post 2 videos today. I'll post 2 videos today, man. Fuck it. Fuck the algorithm. I'll post I'll probably end this. I'll end this, get off, get one of those other videos ready, and then I'll just post them. I'll do like, let me see what I was supposed to do. I should do 6 and 6:30 maybe. Let me check my thing. Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. 2 videos today. I'm gonna go do some laundry real quick. Let me see what I'll put something on for you. Let's see. Damn, I don't even think I've made the Timberland one today. Am I gonna maybe I'll push it tomorrow and do I didn't know the layout was gonna be this crazy. I, it's a crazy week. I didn't know the rollout was gonna be like that. How's the shorts feed looking, man?